Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. It really does help out the channel a lot and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. A quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $955.6 billion, down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38.4%. Looking at the overall markets, not much has been going on, especially in the last 24 hours. We are starting to see some mild green across the board in the last 1 to 24 hours, but nothing crazy. Overall, the market majority is still in red. And obviously, one thing to note right now is we are in a weekend, and weekends do tend to see a lot of manipulation within the board, so that's something to keep in mind. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and a lot of supporters on my channel love this project as well, and that project is none other than Harmony One. All right, my Harmony One holders, if we are looking at the price of Harmony One right now, it is currently trading at 0.0178 cents. So if we're rounding it up, it is at 0.18 cent. It is up 0.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 0.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at that 149th spot, with a market cap of $220 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 9 million. So right off the bat, one thing I want to point out is that the overall buying pressure, the hype, like the demand for Harmony One right now is just not there, because there's a lot of FUD that has been coming around for Harmony One. A lot of negative things are happening. And there was like an exploit, like you can see Harmony's Horizon Bridge has been exploited on June 24th. But and aside from that, there's a lot of negativity within the Harmony One's name and the community. There's a lot of FUD happening, and this FUD is to be expected, especially in the bear market. One thing I still want you guys to keep in mind is that look at the team. They keep developing. They are innovating as days go by. And price obviously has not been too impressive over the past, few months and more like a year now. But, this is the bear market, and that's something we do need to keep in mind. But one thing I do definitely want to point out is that the buying pressure is just not there right now. Harmony One has pretty much bottomed out quite a bit. But now comes the question, are we going to see Harmony One go below a penny? That's a question on everyone's mind right now. Or is this a pretty close rough bottom for the price of Harmony One? We will jump into that, but before we jump into the price, guys, I want to give a huge special shout out to one of my supporters called Maurice. This update is more dedicated to her. Like, I appreciate Maurice for showing so much support. Thank you so much. And this entire episode that I am bringing today is dedicated to you. But now let's get right into the price. As you guys can see, the price has not been looking too well. We've been trading below this level of resistance since the date of June. Since June, we have seen the price of Harmony One really trade sideways. Nothing too crazy has been happening within its price. And this is the daily time frame. You guys can't get a better picture as to what has been going on. So I will zoom into this chart and show you guys what has been happening with the price, so we get a better picture as to what is happening and where do I want Harmony One's price to go in the immediate short term. So this right here is a zoomed in chart. So as I mentioned right now, this is the first time when we did see the price of Harmony One fall below this level of support at that 3.1 cents mark, which was on June 12th. Since then, we have seen Harmony One accumulate quite a bit over the past months. We did see a massive breakout, and we obviously saw a rejection. The price did not stay above this level of resistance, and since then we have been trading sideways ever since. Now comes the question, are we going to go above this level of resistance once again, or is Harmony One going to go below a penny, and where things could start looking not too well? And from the resistance right now we are about like 76% away from that level of resistance, a crucial level of resistance, guys, and that would need a move of about 76%. And keep in mind, the buying pressure is definitely not there, but obviously if we were to hear some sort of good news come out, we will see an impact on Harmony One, and Harmony One is not going anywhere. Yes, there is a lot of FUD, but one thing I want to always tell you guys is early beginnings when a project is new. Harmony One has not been in the markets for too many years. It was originally launched on the Binance IEO. I still remember when it was launched. And since those days, guys, Harmony One is still up quite a bit, and that's one thing people don't understand. Let me show you guys that right now. So if you guys can see, all-time low was on March 13th, 2022, over 2 years ago, and since that price, it's still up 1,300%. And that's something that a lot of people tend to forget. And right now, it's just a project that is going through a lot of FUD, and it just comes down to the team, how they're going to react to this and how they're going to overcome this FUD that it has been seeing happen within its community. And I really do believe this project has what it takes to really come back to where they were doing what they were excellent at. Marketing needs to be a little bit ramped up, but I do believe in this project. I do believe this project can give excessive gains in the next bull cycle. And it is one of the projects that has been on my radar for quite some time because it is very, very undervalued right now. And could it go lower? That's now one thing that I want to talk about, because like I said, there's a lot of negativity right now, and the overall buying pressure is not just there. And BTC, on the other hand, is also not looking too well. And it has been holding in the 78.6 zone for quite some time. And it's like either do or die for Bitcoin if it goes below this support line of 78.6. If it goes below, like I have said in my other videos countless of times, that we could see BTC revisit 15 to even 14k levels, and that is obviously going to have an impact on the entire market, obviously in a negative way, and that is going to impact Harmony One as well. And that in that way, shape, or form, we could see possibly Harmony One going lower, but I don't see Harmony One going way too low at this point. We've been seeing a major retracement happen within its price. It has pulled down quite significantly. All-time high was 37 cents. And if you have done your due diligence and research and actually believe in the project, believe in the vision of Harmony One, now might be the time to be accumulating rather than picking them up while it was at 37 cents. There's a famous saying, I always try to share it with you guys, be greedy while others are fearful. Be fearful while others are greedy. And the people that do get really greedy in the bear markets and that accumulate worthwhile projects are going to be the ones that are going to succeed in the long haul. But again, always invest what you can afford to lose, not throw in your life savings. I cannot stress that enough, guys. Always, whenever you're investing in cryptocurrencies, always invest what you can afford to lose. And on top of that, always lock in profits. If you don't lock in profits, guys, then I honestly don't understand why we're here. We have to be locking in profits, and we need to put the greed aside and really take advantage of these markets and the gains. But Harmony One long term, guys, like I said, I am still a very long believer on this project, and I do believe the next bull cycle it is going to do very, very well, and it is extremely undervalued in my opinion. But again, once again, my own personal opinion, not financial advice. Harmony One, is a proof of stake consensus. Roughly 43% of the circulation supply is staked right now. So that means it's not on exchanges to be purchased, and people are staking and earning passive income off it and making their stacks bigger as time goes by. Especially if you believe in the project, staking is the best thing to do because your holdings get bigger as time goes by and you take advantage of that. It's basically like dividends and a reward for holding. So that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Harmony One go at the end of next year, and what are your thoughts on the overall FUD that's happening within the Harmony One's price. Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, shout out to Maurice. Thank you so much for all the support. I love you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.